My name is Julian Andrews. I am a Senior Communications Specialist at nVent Electric. I chose the Master's in Strategic Communications program at the University of Minnesota because I was looking for a program that would provide me a good academic background that would supplement my real-life experiences on the job at my work. The best thing about having a Master's in Strategic Communication is the broader understanding that you get of the entire communications field. Sometimes when you're working in communications, you can be really focused on one specific thing. And so doing the program really gave me an opportunity to step outside of my day job and get insights from lots of different parts of the communications field and then apply them on the job to my work. This program facilitated a lot of valuable connections with industry professionals and communications peers, both through the cohort model, which is really effective because you have a kind of built-in network of other communications professionals that are at about the same career phase as you, but work at a lot of different companies or organizations, and you can continue to lean on that group in the future for references or to bounce ideas off of, and so that's a really important piece of it. And then the professors also did a great job of bringing in seasoned communications professionals into our courses, and some of those connections you can also continue to advance and learn from in the future. I follow a lot of those people now on LinkedIn and continue to get perspective from them even after their visit to our course is over. Since completing the program, my career has changed in a lot of positive ways. I feel like I've been able to have better conversations with other communications professionals that have really helped me in my career. I feel like I have a way stronger business knowledge and business sense so that I understand that the role communications plays in my company and how I can contribute to that in a positive way. The curriculum prepared me for real-world challenges by essentially allowing me to practice those real-world challenges in a controlled environment. So you have emerging issues or crisis communications. Doing that in a classroom setting is really important so that when you get into the real world, you aren't learning on the job. Things like doing really advanced journey mapping or customer journey mapping and content design. Those types of things, you don't usually have a window into all of it in your day job, and so when you can practice those things in a classroom setting, get real-time feedback from professors, that's really, really valuable in building your own confidence in your work, and then also just giving you a toolbox of things to pull from when you do get into the workplace. Just get the most out of it as you can. Obviously, you're going to class, but just continue to talk to your peers. Do the reading. It's easy to get lost in the day-to-day intensity of the program because it is a challenging program and it does require a lot of time, but just remember that you're doing it for a reason and there's a lot of value that comes out of it. And within this program and then any program, you get out of it what you put into it. So the more focused and intentional you can be about your approach to the coursework, about your approach to getting to know your peers, about your approach to learning more about the communications industry, all of that stuff will pay off down the line. I'd say my favorite part of the program was meeting all of the, not only my cohort, but also all of the people that were brought in to teach classes. I have good relationships with a lot of my former professors, and those can become really good resources for you down the line. I also really enjoyed the opportunity to take a couple of electives. I took some really good electives that were close to my job, but not the same, and those have really helped broaden my experience, things like information design and content design. So I think there's a lot of opportunities at the U that you can take advantage of as a student that are not directly required classes in the program, and so I would encourage people to take advantage of those opportunities. My experience with the faculty in the Strategic Communications program was extremely positive. Everybody who taught was really excited to be there and was clearly excited about teaching and sharing knowledge with the students. So I can't say enough about how much effort the faculty put into creating really valuable and meaningful courses for us, and also spending time serving as mentors and helping us to advance our careers in addition to everything we're doing in the classroom. I would say that the program really helped me grow my career within my current company by giving me more of an academic background that I could lean on and a little bit more credibility within the organization. I was promoted shortly after finishing the program, which is not always going to be the case, but even if you're not seeing like a direct career advancement coming off of the program, the quality of your work will always speak for itself within the organization that you're working at, and this program really helps you improve that quality of work as well as to develop a lot of great connections within the field should you ever look to switch jobs.